Eh, bonjour, bonjour les amis. Hello, everybody. So this is episode 8 of me reading The Secret of the Templars, The Adventures of Jacques Le Gall. So let's get started. So this is panel 1. So un peu plus tard. Un peu plus tard. A little bit later. So plus tard is later. Ok. Ainsi, voilà donc ce fameux château de Gisors. And there is a mistake. Can you spot it? Can you spot the mistake? Yes, the X. That's wrong. It is singular, it should be singular, so no X. So let me translate. So here there is the famous chateau or castle of Gisors. So Gisors is a city in Normandy. Quel rapport peut-il y avoir? Quel rapport peut-il y avoir? Y avoir. Quel rapport peut-il y avoir? But if you don't liaise, it's okay. Quel rapport peut-il y avoir entre lui, les Templiers et ces cagoulards qui n'hésitent pas à liquider un homme? Et pourquoi? So that's a long one. So quel rapport? So rapport means what's the link? What's the link? So what kind of link is there? So peut-il y avoir what kind of link may exist between it? So lui is a pronom personnel. It refers to the castle. Entre lui, so between it, the Templars, and those hooded people. Cagoulard, people that were hooded. So qui n'hésite pas à liquider un homme. So this is qui is a pronom relatif antécédent cagoulard. So and these hooded people that do not hesitate. So liquider means kill. It's slang. Liquider, to kill. So it's like literally translate, turn somebody into liquid. So kill. Un homme, a man. Et pourquoi? And why? Okay, so next one. So we go from here to up here on the right. So that's the next one. This one. Okay. En me cachant la nuit, j'apprendrai peut-être quelque chose. En me cachant la nuit, j'apprendrai peut-être quelque chose. So this is called gérondif, gerund. So this is participe présent, and the participe présent and en forms the gérondif. By hiding myself at night. So this is the future, first person, singular. So j'apprendrai, I shall learn, peut-être, maybe, quelque chose, something. Alright, next one. So, bon sang. So this is sang, blood. S-A-N-G. That's a G. Bon sang. I don't know how to translate that. It's just an interjection. I would say what the F, but you know, something like that. Bon sang. Ce que le temps est long. Ce que le temps est long. L-O-L-O-N-G. Ce que le temps est long. Time is it's like, my God, time is so long. Time passes so slowly. Okay, but here he's saying time is so long. Plus un bruit, plus un bruit, plus un bruit. So no more noise. Bruit, bruit, bruit is noise. La ville est endormie. So the city is asleep, asleep. La ville est endormie. La ville est endormie. Minuit, 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 so midnight, n'est plus loin. Midnight is not it's not too far from now. I don't know, but you get the idea. Okay, so next one. Okay, dong, dong, dong. I assume it's the bell that are ringing. Yeah. Next one is here. Les 12 coups de minuit. 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 So the 12 strikes of midnight. C'est habituellement l'heure où sortent les fantômes. He's trying to say phantom, the ghosts. So it is usually the time when the ghosts come out. Okay, so this is U with the accent grave here. O-U, accent grave. So it's l'heure, the time when sort comes from sortir, to come out. Crac. Ok. Pas de doute, pas de doute. Pas de doute, pas de doute, no doubt. Quelqu'un marche à pas de loup du côté des ruines du donjon. Somebody is walking, so à pas de loup means that he walking carefully. Loup, so pas is a step, and loup is wolf. So he's walking like a wolf, carefully. Du côté des ruines. Du côté des ruines. So it's a C-O, accent, the hat, T-I, accent aigu. So du côté, like near the ruins of the dungeon. Là, there, une lueur. Lueur means like a faint light. Oh. Okay, so he sings something. Oh, okay. Le vieil homme que j'ai sauvé. Le vieil homme que j'ai sauvé. So vieil is like vieux, but here you have to put it like this, vieil. So vieille, and if you put feminine is vieille. You say it the same, but it has L-E at the end. Le vieil homme, so the old man, que, pronom relatif, that I saved. So this is passé composé. J'ai sauvé. Save. So the old man that I saved. Que fait-il là? Que fait-il là? So here you have to do the liaison. You have to. Que fait-il? Que fait-il là? So fait comme third person singular of faire. To do, to make. So, que fait-il là? What's he doing there? D'où sort-il? D'où sort-il? From where does he come from? Okay, next one. Mais soudain, but suddenly, ça alors, so it's just an expression of surprise, disparu instantanément, so disparu is participe passé of disparaître, to disappear, so disappeared instantaneously. Adverb, so this is an adverb, instantanément. À croire, so this is an A, but when it's in cap, you some depends on the books, but sometimes the editor is gonna put the accent. It's supposed to be an accent. If it was like regular letters, it would be accent grave. Okay, so it's not avoir, it's A with an accent grave. À croire que ce type a été englouti mystérieusement. So, à croire que it looks like ce type means this guy. Ce type, this guy, a été englouti. So this is a été englouti. This is a passé composé, but in the passive voice. So a été englouti. Mystérieusement. So this guy has been swallowed mysteriously. So mystérieusement, adverb. Il faut que j'élucide ce mystère. Il faut que j'élucide ce mystère. So il faut comes from falloir. F-A-L-L-O-I-R. Il faut que I need to. So élucider is to figure out ce mystère, this mystery. Okay, so the last panel of the page, it shows like a, what is it, a hand. Yes, it's like a gloved hand with the Templar cross. So it's probably one of the Cagoulars, the hooded guys. And that's of course Jacques Le Goffre. Jacques Le Gall. Okay, so I'm gonna stop here. If you like this kind of content, please like, comment and subscribe, and I will make more. If there is any question about French, about anything in that page, or anything in French in general, just ask me the question and I'll answer. If you want me to change the way I do these things, let me know as well, and I can, I can change things. No problem. Okay, so I'll see you around. Bye.